welcome. Quick cheeseburger lunch. The hamburger, I mixed it with some green onions, some mushrooms. Delicious. Just wanted to share with you quickly.
Well,
And it's topped with some sautéed onions, melted some
a little
cheese,
bit of the
put
salt
some
on
veggies
one
on
of
the
these
side,
just to
and there you
see.
go. You have your lunch.
And then I'm going to use sauce for the
Don't
other.
forget
You
to
don't want to talk
subscribe.
about the
And
soy
after
sauce
watching this
Yes.
video,
kind of
don't
dipping
forget
it.
to comment.
Oops. Yes.
Press
We're
thumbs
going to
up.
try the
And
dip.
after watching the video, don't forget to comment. Comment is very
Let's just
important for
give
my
the dip a
videos.
try.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
That's a Thai ginger. I wonder how will it be with the hot sauce.
Amazing.
Yeah, this turned out real good.
Wow. I hope you remember how you did it.
I wrote it down.
I like my hamburgers well done. So if you want yours not well done, don't cook it too long so you can still see that redness inside, but they're still nice and soft. Yes, delicious. You didn't even need to put any oil because the meat has oil in it itself. As you can see, they look great. Saute the onions in the same pan. Very, very good flavor from that. Until they are brown, and take them out. Once they are brown on one side, you can turn them over. And when done, it's time to top your burger. There you go. Melted some cheese on top of the bread, topped with onions, and then your lettuce or your spinach, and there we go. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next video.